Alright, going to chapter 26, bonus solution problem. That's number 4. So, question is, a single story house measures 32 feet by 40 feet. The walls are 8 feet high. Ignoring doors and windows and openings, calculate the cost of framing the exterior walls, including the amount of insulation as specified in each of the following cases. Assume all framing materials cost 65 cents per board foot. 6.25-inch fiberglass costs 38 cents per square foot, and 1-inch rigid foam insulation costs 59 cents per square foot. So the first question is 2x6 16-inch on centers with 6-inch of fiberglass. Second question is same as A with a wrap of 1-inch rigid foam insulation added, and C, a double 2x4 wall spaced 12 inches apart using a double layer of 6-inch fiberglass insulation for 6 fiberglass. Okay, so we'll go to the next slide, which shows my work. So we have here the first one. We have 2x6 boards, 16-inch on center with 6 1/4-inch fiberglass. So our perimeter is going to be 2 times 32 plus 40, and that gives us a perimeter of 144. Number of studs is going to be 144, which is perimeter times 0.75, and that's going to give us 108 studs. The length of the studs is going to be the number of studs times the wall height, which would be 864 feet. We're going to convert that into board feet. So we're going to do 2 times 6 times 864 divided by 12. These cancel out, and that gives you 864 board feet. The quantity of fiberglass is going to be the perimeter times the height. So that gives us 1,152 square feet. So the total cost for A is studs, 65 cents per board feet, 864 board feet, gives us $561.60. Fiberglass, 6.25-inch, 38 cents per square foot. With 1,152 square feet, that gives us $437.76 cents, with a total of $999.36 cents. Okay, going on to B. With the rigid 1-inch foam, it's the same length as the fiberglass, so this you just adding on the 1-inch foam, which is 59 cents per square foot. So 1,152 square feet, it gives us $679.68. Adding that to the part A, and that gives us $1,679.04. Okay, part C. It's going to be perimeter. 2 times 30 plus 40 gives us 144 square feet. So it should be 32 actually. So it gives us 144 square feet. Same perimeter as A. C. Number of studs is going to be 2 times 144 square feet divided by inches is going to give us 2 times 14 times 1, gives us 288 studs. The length of the studs is going to be 8 feet times 288, gives us 2,304 square feet. Convert that into board feet. 2 times 4 times 2,304, all divided by 12 gives us 1,536 board feet. So to calculate the total cost, is going to be, let's see here, it's going to be studs, 65 cents per board foot. 1536 times 65.65 is $998.40. Cost of studs. Fiberglass is 38 cents times square foot is 2,304, gives us 875.52 cents. Using the total cost of C is $1,873.92. Thank you.